Ashnoy, and today, and this is my doll, Rapunzel. But I call her Rapunzel because it's a cute name for her. So, Rapunzel, you can recognize her. She's Rapunzel. Her dress is also like Rapunzel. She came from America. So, she was obstinating that she really want golden sandals and a doll cupboard. So, I couldn't buy them because first thing, I don't have enough money, and also it's locked down, so many shops are closed. So I thought I can make golden shoes and a doll cupboard. So I really did made. These are the golden sandals. Look at these. They look so cute. So, it's not like that it's only for show. She can also wear them. Look. And another one. Looks so cute, right? And she was also saying that she wanted a doll cupboard. So, voila, a doll cupboard. It's not completed yet. I also have to make some square pieces to make the handle. I'm gonna make a square piece, and then another square piece, and another. So guys, I have made these sandals. It was simple. Like I said, the square one. Just cut a square piece and just stick it all up and up. So that's the same thing I did. I first put the leg like this in the cardboard, and I drawed it and make a line. So I cutted that out and did that over and over again, and stick it all over it, and just put a cardboard, cut a line, and stick it over here, and voila, a beautiful sandal. And we have to also paint it with a nail paint. That's what I did. So, bye guys. Have a nice day. Stay happy and be safe. Bye. And please like, share and comment my video.